Some cars make you yawn just looking at them. Bland styling, uninspiring specs, the kind of vehicles you'd scroll past without a second thought. But underneath those boring exteriors are engineering masterpieces that change the automotive world forever. We're talking about cars that revolutionized manufacturing, introduced technology that became industry standard, and proved that brilliance doesn't always come wrapped in flashy bodywork. These weren't built to win beauty contests or drag races. They were built to solve problems, push boundaries, and demonstrate engineering excellence that flashy sports cars could never achieve. And the automotive world ignored them because they looked boring. Big mistake, because while everyone was drooling over Ferraris and Lamborghinis, these boring-looking legends were quietly rewriting the rules of what cars could do. Today, we're counting down 7 cars that look absolutely boring, but turned out to be engineering masterpieces that changed everything. And before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, because garage history is about to prove that the most important innovations often come in the most unexpected packages. Number 7. 1983 Renault Alliance. Look at the Renault Alliance and try to stay awake. It's a boxy, forgettable econobox that looks like every other cheap sedan from the early 80s. Absolutely nothing exciting about the styling. But here's what nobody remembers. The Alliance was named Motor Trend's Car of the Year in 1983, and it earned that title through pure engineering excellence. Renault and AMC created one of the most fuel-efficient, space-efficient, and well-engineered small cars America had ever seen. The Alliance delivered over 40 mpg highway with a simple 4-cylinder engine, which was incredible for 1983. The interior packaging was brilliant. The car was tiny outside, but felt huge inside thanks to clever design and thin pillars. The ride quality was shockingly good for a cheap car, using advanced suspension geometry that European manufacturers had perfected. And the build quality? Actually decent for an era when American small cars were complete garbage. The Alliance introduced French engineering philosophy to America, prioritizing efficiency, comfort, and practicality over raw power. It proved you could build an excellent small car that normal people could afford. Sure, the Alliance failed in the market because AMC's dealer network collapsed and quality control deteriorated. But the engineering was sound, and it influenced how American manufacturers approached small car design for the next decade. Boring to look at? Absolutely. Engineering masterpiece? Without question. Number 6. 1986 Acura Legend. The first-generation Acura Legend looks like nothing special. A conservative sedan with rounded edges and zero visual drama. Your accountant would drive one. But this boring-looking sedan revolutionized the luxury car market and forced European manufacturers to completely rethink their approach. Honda created Acura specifically to build the Legend, and the engineering was astonishing. This was one of the first cars to use extensive aluminum in the body structure, reducing weight while maintaining rigidity. The V6 engine was butter smooth, delivering power with refinement that matched Mercedes and BMW while being more reliable than both. The build quality was flawless. Legends regularly hit 300,000 miles with basic maintenance, while European luxury cars were falling apart at 100,000. The Legend also introduced technology that luxury brands claimed was impossible at its price point. 4-wheel disc brakes, independent rear suspension, advanced aerodynamics, digital instrumentation, all for thousands less than comparable German cars. The Legend proved that luxury didn't require a 6-figure price tag or constant repairs. Japanese engineering could deliver Mercedes quality with Honda reliability, and the market responded. The Legend became a massive success and forced BMW, Mercedes, and Audi to improve quality and lower prices just to compete. Today, the Legend is forgotten, dismissed as just another boring sedan. But it changed the luxury car market forever. Number 5. 1996 GM EV1. The EV1 looks like a science experiment. Weird teardrop shape, covered rear wheels, absolutely bizarre proportions that scream prototype instead of production car. But the EV1 was one of the most advanced vehicles ever built, and its engineering was decades ahead of its time. GM created the EV1 as the first mass-produced electric vehicle designed from the ground up as an EV, not a converted gas car. The aerodynamics were insane. a drag coefficient of 0.19, which is better than most cars built today. The aluminum space frame was lightweight and rigid, using aerospace construction techniques. The electric drivetrain was efficient and sophisticated, delivering range that wouldn't be matched until Tesla 15 years later. The EV1 had regenerative braking, advanced battery management, and charging systems that predicted modern EVs. It proved electric cars could be practical, efficient, and fun to drive. But GM killed it. They crushed almost every EV1 ever built, destroying the evidence of their own engineering excellence. Why? Because it threatened the oil industry, the dealer service model, and GM's own business structure. The EV1 was too good, and it had to die. Today, the EV1 is remembered as the electric car that could have changed everything if GM hadn't murdered it. The engineering was brilliant, the execution was flawless, but corporate fear won. Number 4. 1992 Toyota Camry. The Camry is the definition of boring, bland styling, uninspiring performance, zero personality. It's the default choice for people who see cars as appliances. But the fourth-generation Camry that debuted in 1992 was an engineering masterpiece that set standards the entire industry had to match. Toyota engineered the Camry for one thing: perfection in everyday use. And they achieved it. The build quality was flawless, with panel gaps and materials that matched luxury cars costing twice as much. The reliability was legendary. Camrys regularly hit 300,000 plus miles with nothing but oil changes and basic maintenance. The engineering was obsessive. Toyota tested every component to destruction, then over-engineered it to ensure it would never fail. The result was a car that simply worked, year after year, mile after mile, without drama or expense. The Camry also introduced manufacturing techniques that became industry standard. Toyota's production system emphasized quality over speed, empowering workers to stop the line if they spotted defects. American manufacturers copied these methods because they couldn't compete otherwise. The Camry became America's best-selling car for 15 years straight, not through flashy marketing, but through excellence. It proved that consumers valued reliability and quality over excitement. Today, the Camry is still boring, but it's still one of the best engineered cars you can buy, and that legacy started in 1992. Number 3. 1984 Plymouth Voyager / Dodge Caravan. Minivans are the most hated vehicles in automotive culture. Boring. Uncool. The automotive equivalent of giving up on life. But the original Chrysler minivans, the Plymouth Voyager and Dodge Caravan, were engineering masterpieces that created an entire segment and saved Chrysler from bankruptcy. Lee Iacocca and Hal Sperlich designed the minivan to solve a real problem. Families needed more space than sedans offered, but didn't want the terrible fuel economy and handling of full-size vans. The solution was brilliant: front-wheel drive platform based on the K-car, efficient 4-cylinder engines, car-like handling, and interior space that could swallow 3 rows of seats plus cargo. The engineering was revolutionary. Chrysler packaged minivan space in a vehicle that fit in a normal garage and drove like a car. They invented features that became standard: sliding doors, removable seats, flat-load floors. The minivans were also reliable by early 80s standards, using proven components from Chrysler's parts bin. They were cheap to build and maintain, making them accessible to middle-class families. The minivan became Chrysler's best-selling vehicle and generated billions in profits that kept the company alive through the 80s and 90s. Every manufacturer copied the formula: Honda, Toyota, Ford, GM, because Chrysler got it right. Today, minivans are dying, killed by SUVs and crossovers that are worse in every practical measure. But the original Chrysler minivans proved that boring can be brilliant. Number 2. 1997 Toyota Prius. The first-generation Prius looked weird. Awkward proportions. Strange styling. A car that screamed "I'm different" without looking good doing it. But underneath that odd exterior was engineering that would change the automotive industry forever. Toyota created the world's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle, combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor in a system so complex that other manufacturers said it was impossible to build profitably. But Toyota did it. The Prius used a planetary gear system called hybrid synergy drive that seamlessly blended power from the gas engine and electric motor, delivering incredible fuel economy over 50 mpg while maintaining drivability. The engineering was insane. Toyota had to invent battery management systems, regenerative braking, and control software that didn't exist. They had to design an engine that could turn on and off constantly without failing. They had to create a drivetrain that was efficient, reliable, and affordable to manufacture. And they succeeded. The Prius proved hybrids could work in the real world, not just as science experiments. It sold millions of units worldwide and forced every manufacturer to develop hybrid technology just to stay competitive. Today, hybrid systems are everywhere, in sedans, SUVs, trucks, supercars. Toyota's engineering from the 1997 Prius made that possible. Boring to look at? Absolutely. One of the most important cars ever built? Without question. Number 1. 1974 Volkswagen Golf Rabbit. Here's the number 1 boring car that's actually an engineering masterpiece. The original Volkswagen Golf, sold as the Rabbit in the US. This car looks like a box on wheels. Simple lines. Zero drama. Absolutely nothing exciting about the styling. But the Golf revolutionized automotive design and became the blueprint for every modern hatchback. Volkswagen's challenge was massive. Replace the Beetle, one of the most iconic cars in history, with something that could meet modern safety and emission standards while being more practical and efficient. The Golf was their answer, and it was brilliant. Front-wheel drive layout maximized interior space. The hatchback design created incredible cargo flexibility. The transverse-mounted engine was compact and efficient, and the engineering was meticulous. The Golf handled like a sports car despite being a practical hatchback. The build quality was excellent for the era, and the platform was so good that VW used it for decades across multiple models. The Golf invented the hot hatch segment with the GT, proving practical cars could be fun. It showed that simple, honest engineering could create something better than flashy complexity. Every modern hatchback, Honda Civic, Mazda 3, Ford Focus, owes its existence to the Golf's formula. Over 35 million Golfs have been sold across 8 generations, making it one of the best-selling cars in history. The Golf proved that boring design could hide engineering genius that changes the world. And there you have it, 7 boring cars that turned out to be engineering masterpieces. From hybrid pioneers to minivan revolutionaries, these cars proved that innovation doesn't always come wrapped in exotic bodywork. If this changed how you look at boring cars, smash that like button and drop a comment. Which boring car do you think deserves more respect? And if you want more hidden engineering excellence, more overlooked innovations, and more proof that boring can be brilliant, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because Garage History is celebrating the cars that changed everything without the flash. Thanks for watching, and remember, the most important engineering breakthroughs often come in the most unexpected packages. Until next time, never judge a car by its bodywork, and keep the history alive.